In Nigeria, one of the leading causes of transmission failure in Nigeria, number one is using a bad or a fake transmission fluid, and also using the wrong transmission fluid for your transmission. Every car, every transmission has its own designed transmission fluid for it. Now, for my Toyota users, Toyota have four major types of transmission design. You have the automatic transmission, you have the manual, you have the CVT, and also have the ECVT. Yes. Now, for the normal automatic transmission, that is the AT transmission, you see it in our regular Toyota cars, the Camry, Avalon, Highlander, and the rest of them. Yes. Now, for the CVT transmission, which stands for the continuously variable transmission, that one you can see it in your Corolla, from the 214, 215 Corolla. You can see it also in the Yaris as well. You can see that type of the transmission there, the CVT. Now, for the ECVT, that is the electronic continuously variable transmission. You can see that in most of these newer Toyota vehicles, like the Camry, Highlander, the hybrid version of them. Yes, specifically the newer hybrid versions of these Toyota cars, like mentioned, the Camry, Highlander, Venza, and the rest. That is where you will see the ECVT, that's the electronic continuously variable transmission. Yes. Now, you can't use the transmission fluid for the automatic, that is the AT, on the CVT. It is not going to work. You are going to damage it. Now, the CVT makes use of pulleys, yes, belt pulleys, to change it and to keep it running. You understand? Now, why the automatic transmission on its own make use of torque converters and gears to change transmission and to help the transmission run very well. You see, they are not the same. You understand? Now, the oil viscosity on the AT transmission fluid and the oil viscosity on the CVT transmission fluid, they are not the same. This CVT runs on belt pulleys, while this runs with torque converters and gears to change the transmission. Yes. Now, for the ECVT, you can use the Toyota WS transmission fluid. It's going to work perfectly. That is what the manufacturer Toyota itself recommended for ECVT transmissions. Yes. So if you are using any of these hybrid cars that came with the ECVT transmission, the recommended transmission fluid for that transmission is the Toyota WS transmission fluid. It is going to work perfectly on that transmission. Yes. I know it sounds the same with the CVT, but they are not the same. They are totally different types of transmissions. Now, you can't also use the transmission fluid for the CVT on your normal AT transmission, the automatic transmission. You can't. It's still not going to work. You understand? So, know the desired transmission fluid for your transmission and know what to use on it. For the CVT FE fluid, it's what you need for that CVT transmission. The CVT FE fluid is what you need for the transmission. Sorry, for the automatic transmissions, you need the Toyota WS transmission fluid. Then for the ECVT also, what you equally need is also the Toyota WS transmission fluid. So we have both oils in store. If you are interested in any one of them, send a DM across, reach out to me, and I'm pretty sure I can sort you out. Cheers.